Today we are going to be replacing and repairing a refrigerator vent on the top of my trailer. This is the tools that you'll need. This, one of these, those, not all of them, just like one or two. And you know, I bring my thingamabobber bag, which has a bunch of stuff like this and such, just in case, because I'm going up there. And okay, done this a couple times before, so I kind of know the ins and outs. Scraped this, I don't even know where it's at, but the vent, scraped it off on accident on a building here. But looks fine in there, so let's get going. First we gotta start by scraping off this. I'm gonna need a knife. Oh, no, I got it. In my opinion, it's easier to just go around and pull it up. Done it on all sides. Now I'm gonna do it on this side. And I do this sort of motion, like I just get it in there, wiggle it to the spot it was, the far corner was, and then slide it in. All right, all sides are up and ready to rock and roll. Now we have to find these little screws that are all in here and get them out. After you get most of your screws out on all sides, as much as you can, you want to make sure that you salvage those, because just in case you don't have any screws with your other one like me. True China quality. I think I got a screw there. Side. All of our screws are off and it's going to come off. I don't have much to do. I just need to scrape the remainder off and clean it up a little bit, and then we can start putting our other one on. Now that it's all clean, we're gonna go ahead and put the vent on. Looks like the holes, this vent cover is different than the other one, so I'm just gonna have to drill some holes. Okay, I drilled my 4 holes and I put my these in because it kind of disappears into the roof after you drill. And then now I'm going to silicone in between here, and then again on top. Now for the satisfying part. Everything is nice and secure. We have our screws in, we have our silicone to keep it nice and waterproof and airtight. Last thing to do is put on our vent, and it usually only fits one way, and tag, I say, goes to the back. right, you guys, and that's how you change the fridge vent on your travel trailer or RV. That's not too difficult. Scraping the silicone and getting it nice and clean. It's just not hard. It's not difficult. It's just time consuming. Everything looks to be drying nicely. This is going to keep any rainwater out and any bugs, flies, stuff like that. You guys don't let me forget to put 2 more screws on. Thanks for watching.